try. Not yet. Now try. Come more around the middle back. There you go. Dip it a little bit more. Pull away the heat. Pull away the heat. Okay, stop. 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 Don't even add more. Don't add another drop. Trust me. Okay, it looks like you got it. You got it from underneath. Because what, like I said, you don't want the solder to go all the way down through the teeth. Okay, Mikey, put those down. Take a damp rag. You don't want to over wet it with cold because you can shock it. You know what I'm saying? It's hot, so when you hit it with cold, it could shock it, and you'll defeat the whole purpose. So just dampen that up. Okay. Now don't burn yourself. Keep it nice padded and just wipe. Wipe down. Go ahead. There you go. Clean it up. Mikey's first solder. Practice, practice. Now he's doing it for real. We'll get that piece onto the tank. Nice job, Mike. Okay, so now we got to be careful, all right? We're setting this up away from the original tank. This is just holding it for us because we don't want to heat this piece or any of these pieces on the new tank. So you're going to draw the heat to the elbow, draw in your solder, top, bottom. Don't overheat. Let's see what you got, brother. Brother, buddy. I called you buddy and brother at the same time. Go around the back more. Around the back more. Okay. Keep touching. No, keep the heat. That's not enough. Keep going. Keep going. All right, do the top one. Let go of the heat. There you go. Come around the back. There you go. Now double check your bottom. I think you did all right, buddy. I think we got it. Let me see on this side. Dude, nice job. Let's clean it up. Get your rag and let's clean it up. Take a look. Oop, unplug that. Go. All right, now he's taking that connection that he just made up, and we're now going to bring it to the new tank. He's going to crank it on, line it up, and then we'll end up putting a coupling right there, slide coupling, and we'll be able to make up the cold water connection. Right, Mike?
Yep.
And then we'll work on the hot water connection after. Okay. Time to make up that joint now. Work your way bottom to top. Once it starts taking, just go around it. Go ahead. Should be hot enough. Not yet. All right. Try it again. Move the heat around, up and down. Go ahead, fly it. Come around this side. All right, top. Take the heat away. Take the heat away.
Okay.
All right. Here we go. That one took a minute to heat up. Touch right here. There you go. Okay, no, that's good. That was the paper burning off. Okay, get your rag. Cool her down. Not bad for your very, very first time ever. Never even a practice run. Just watching Daddy and learning. Be careful you don't burn yourself. Easy. Up and down. Really scrub it. Nice job, Mike. Now we'll work on the supply side. I mean the hot water supply end. I just have to show, for anybody who knows plumbing, I can't get it to come in clear. He did an unbelievable job. There we go. Nice job, Mike. I mean, honestly. Just want to show you why we solder these pieces away from these connectors here. Inside, there's plastic on both of those. And if we were to take this piece, screw it on there, and then solder this, make up this solder connection right here from the adapter to the pipe, we're going to apply so much heat to that, it could heat this up and actually melt everything inside. That is why we move it away and we actually make up this connection away from the tank. Okay, so we got this all connected, made up, holding it right here with a little jerry rig. And he's gonna go ahead and do his thing, baby. Let it get hot. Did it go all the way around?
Yep.
Kid, like a pro, kid. Damp rag. Don't wet that. Don't wet that. It's already damp enough. Yep. You don't want to cause shock. Just put the rag easy on it. Just let it cool easy. Take it off. Take it off. Let it cool. There you go. Damp it down. And then you get rid of all the black marks. Attaboy. Proud of you, kid. Nice job. Another thing I want to point out, when you're doing these connectors, these adapters, if you see inside here, I know I got the flash on. You can see inside there the grooves. You don't want that at all, the thread, to get any solder on it. You don't want that solder to come through there. See where he's right here? If you put too much solder, it comes in, it'll go all over the thread, and guess what? You ruined your adapter. What Michael's doing now is he's applying the thread dope. It's a sealant. Goes around the threads. Don't be shy with it. Paint it right in there. And that will secure the threads from any possible leakage. Sit your hand there. Get ready to go from behind. Put the heat up a little towards the middle. There you go. Okay, come up at an angle. Turn that solder up. Turn it up. Okay, touch it. Should be ready. Come around. Come around. Come around. Do the top. Pull the heat away and do the bottom again. Blow the fire out. Never mind. It's out. Alright. Step away. Step away. That one was a little bit more looking a little like an amateur on this one, but you're allowed to. Seeing how you did so good on these. Look at that makeup. Like a pro you did over here, buddy. And now he's putting on what's called the vacuum relief valve. This is very important. Your hot water tank can implode, not explode, implode without this bad boy. The old ones look like this. And in fact, this tank, it might have been the vacuum relief that failed, because this tank was actually spraying water up into the vent and leaking out down the side here. So the leak was coming from the top, not from the bottom anywhere. Alright, we'll get that on. We'll put on the vent hood. I already buttoned up the gas. I don't let Mikey or anybody else deal with gas. I brought the line in. We're all set to the control, and we'll soon be able to fire this up. And hot water shall flow. Okay, so now we're all buttoned up. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna turn it back on. And this is where you find out, make or break. Will any of these connections leak? Is the question. Let that tank fill up, and now we'll turn on the pilot. Okay, so Mikey did it. We have no leaks. The water is completely filled. Tank is on. And we just ignited the flame inside. You see it going, baby? We're blinking blue, normal operation. Now we gotta go burp the lines. This is burping the line. Letting all the air out of the system until you get back to good solid water. Plus I do a video. I have my own channel on YouTube where I do it. I'll send you guys a link so you can see how it's done. There we go. Alright, it's going to probably sputter a couple more times. Let's leave it on. Let's go try the shower and turn on the sink. That's pretty good. Put on the shower. Put it onto the hot side. And I think we're ready to rock and roll there, buddy. Good job. Count it up.